exploring the enchanting Canary Islands by drone. Welcome to our captivating journey through the mesmerizing Canary Islands, a paradise nestled in the Atlantic Ocean. In this 5-minute video, we will take you on an awe-inspiring aerial adventure, showcasing the breathtaking landscapes, diverse ecosystems, and cultural wonders of this archipelago. So sit back, relax, and let us transport you to this extraordinary destination. The Canary Islands, a natural wonder. Our journey begins with an overview of the Canary Islands' unique geography. Comprising 7 main islands, each with its own distinct character, this volcanic archipelago offers a stunning array of landscapes. From the dramatic cliffs of Los Gigantes in Tenerife to the golden sand dunes of Maspalomas in Gran Canaria, we'll capture the island's natural beauty from a bird's-eye perspective. Soaring above the azure waters. As we soar above the crystal-clear waters surrounding the Canary Islands, you'll witness the vibrant marine life that thrives beneath the surface. From playful dolphins and majestic whales to colorful coral reefs, these islands are a haven for nature enthusiasts and underwater explorers alike. Tapestry of contrasting landscapes. Prepare to be amazed as we showcase the diverse landscapes that make the Canary Islands truly unique. From the lush forests of La Gomera to the lunar-like landscapes of Lanzarote's to Manfaya National Park, we'll capture the stark contrasts that exist within this archipelago. Marvel at the rugged volcanic peaks of Mount Tide in Tenerife, the highest point in Spain, and the verdant valleys of La Palma, known as the Beautiful Island. Unveiling the cultural heritage. Beyond its natural wonders, the Canary Islands boast a rich cultural heritage that blends European, African, and Latin American influences. We'll take you on a visual tour of the island's charming towns and cities, where traditional architecture, vibrant festivals, and delicious cuisine reflect this unique fusion of cultures. Sunset Serenade. As the sun begins to set, we'll capture the magical moments when the Canary Islands landscapes are bathed in golden hues. From the picturesque coastal villages of Fuerteventura to the rugged cliffs of La Palma, these breathtaking sunsets will leave you in awe of nature's artistry. Our drone journey through the Canary Islands comes to an end, but the memories and beauty of this extraordinary destination will linger on. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the Canary Islands, whether in person or through the lens of a drone. Join us again for more captivating adventures as we continue to explore the world's most remarkable places from above. Thank you for joining us on this aerial exploration of the Canary Islands. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible drone footage from around the globe.